Hello guys, my name is Khalid. Today I'll be showing you how to create an IAM user and IAM groups. So let's get started. On the startup screen, you can see that there are two users, the root user and IAM user. So with the root user, we have an unrestricted access to all the AWS resources. While an IAM user, we can perform a user can perform any of his tasks, but with the restricted access to some of the resources which can be defined by the root user. So let me first create an IAM user by going to my root user account. Okay, so from management console dashboard, I'll go to the search box and will write IAM. Click on IAM manage access to AWS resource. On the left pane, you can see that there's a users option. So I'll add a user here. The username I'm writing is user1, and I'm for the access type, I will defining the AWS management console access, which allows the user to sign into the AWS management console. The password I'm giving for time being is I'm also storing password here. Next. Okay, so here I'm not defining any permission set at the moment, so I'm pressing next. The add tags is optional. You can add it or you can leave it as it is. So I'm pressing next. Okay, so this is the review screen, the username and all the user details below. So I'm creating this user. Okay, so the user is now created. I'm downloading the .csv file. Here is a URL through which this user will be logging into his console. Okay, so let me press close. So this is our dashboard and the user one. So let me log out from the root account and log in back from this user account which I've just created. Log back in. Now I will click on IAM user, and here I will write that 12 digit in the Excel file which I've downloaded. These are the 12 digits. Now the username and password. So now we have logged in from that user account which we have created from IAM users. You can see that on the top right, you can see user one at the rate, and this is a 12 digit ID, and then the region US East, Ohio, US East 2. So here, if I go to EC2 to create an instance, it is not allowing me to create, and you can see the API error as this user has not been permitted either to create an instance or to create a bucket. So let's go to the S3 bucket dashboard. Okay, so here you can see that you don't have permission to list buckets. So now I am logging off from this account, logging back again from the root account, and I am assigning the S3 bucket and EC2 permission to this user so that it can create it from his login. So I'm signing out. Now sign in at root user. So I'll write IAM. Here in the dashboard, you can see on the left hand user option. This is the user one. And here in the permission, I am adding a permission from attach existing policies directly. So these are the predefined policies by AWS to access its resources or to deny. So I am searching for S3, Amazon S3 full access. So I am selecting this and also EC2, Amazon EC2 full access, this option. Next, so I've selected these policies, add permission. Okay, so let me log out from this account, root user account. Now I am logging back again to the IAM user account, the user one. Enter the 12 digit from the Excel file. And the username and password. Okay, so this user have logged into its account. So if I press S3 in the search box, S3 scalable cloud storage in the cloud. So here you can see that there is no API error and the bucket can be created by this user. Also, I am checking the EC2 instance from the search box. So this is the EC2 dashboard. I can click on launch instance and I can select, for example, this AMI, but I'll press cancel here just to have a look that permission are working fine for this user. Okay, so now I am signing off from this account again and logging back to the root user. Now here I want to remove the permission or the policies which are assigned to the user one, and I want to create a group and assign the policies on the group level, and then I'll attach this user to that group. So let me log in to my root user. Okay, so let me click on users, user one, and I am deleting these policies, detaching it. Also detaching the second policy. Now here you can see that above the users there is a group. So I am clicking on group, so I am creating a new group. I'll call it my group, and here are the policies which I can assign to a group. So for time being, I am just assigning it admin access and this admin access AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Two policies. Next. So this is the review page. Create group. So the group is now created. Now I want that user to be assigned to this group. So I'll click on this. Here I'll users tab. I'll click on add users to the group. This is my user. I'm selecting it. Add users. So now that user has been added to this group, and the benefit of creating a group is that you can have multiple users within a group sharing the same policies which are assigned to a group. So this was all about the IAM users and IAM group. I hope you people have liked this video, and I thank you all for watching this video.